And need to go somewhere and sit down. Look at that girl. Look at that girl. He's doing fine. Oh my God. Where you go? Look at his shorts. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. Where you at? Who will record this? I will. Rest this in the room now when you get it. Stay on him! Stop the game. I know, I know. Your battery low, Shania. Look at Trey, don't work, look at his shorts is way up there. Stay on him, get your ass down. Punch him, do anything. This dude going way over there and shit. Don't even think about it. Get it, get down. Oh, shit. Do this. I don't want to do this shit. It's stupid. What are they talking about? I can't do it. I'm looking at one person. I'm not looking at the camera. I know. He's trying to focus on the game. How do you press pause? No, just do that. Why? Damn! I'm gonna do some gray, black, and white Jordans. Chargers, not Central. Shut up! He runs funny. Who? I told you. No, they trail. I'm running. Go! Oh! If they try with Amanda and his black, Amanda. Like vanilla eyes. They ain't black. Where you at, y'all? Cause I don't see him. Right there. You better make it. Come on, boy. What the hell? Oh, that shit breezy. Don't throw my coat. I got to, it'll keep falling out. Woo! this is too much. Where they trolling? Well, I'm taking my camera out.